In this video, we will learn how to install NPM JS packages, Node Package Manager modules, as well as what is package.json file. So, in npmjs.org, this there will be different Node Package Managers or modules which you want to install. For example, if you are using Express, then regarding Express, how to use that and how to install that, everything will be present. How to use that package and how to install that, how, what is the command we need to use, everything will be there. If you want to use some other, like Slugify, if you want to use Slugify, then how to use this. For example, see, it is just some how to import that in our application, as well as how different ways to use this. Like for example, see, these are all commands we can use. Lowercase, if you want some string in lowercase, then lower, false, true, we can use like this. We will see. So how to install this? For suppose if you want to install any node package manager in our system, just use the command npm init. So after initializing, it will ask some package name. I will give my desired value, like I'm currently using this application node form, so I have given this node form, and version is, it is first time I am deploying it or developing it, so I am using default 1.0.0. Next, description. What is this about? Like for example, some food products. Oh, spelling mistake, my bad. Okay, leave it. Enter point. All this if you want to enter, enter. You can also leave it. Node. Other. My name is Koteswara, so I am using this Koteswara. Other. License. I do not have anything currently, so just going with default and clicking OK. Yes, see, now in the sidebar, if you see, package.json has been created and it has everything. What is the name we have mentioned and what is the version description, and everything has been created and other. So if we want to install any other package, just use the command npm install slugify. If we want to install this slugify module globally, then just use -g at the last or end of this package name slugify. Currently I do not want to install it globally. I just want this package inside our project only, so I am just removing that -g and clicking enter. See, it has installed, and if you see here dependencies, there is our slugify. I am not saying that. See here, slugify has been installed and its version has been displaying here. So similarly, if you want to install anything like nodemon, npm install nodemon, but I want to install this as a dev dependencies because we use this for development purpose. So just use command save dev. If you use this, then this package will be installed and save as dev dependencies. See, if I click enter, and if you see in dev dependencies, where is this? See, last dev dependencies nodemon and its version has been installed. And if you also see in the sidebar, node modules has been created, this folder. Why? Actually we have installed only nodemon and slugify, but whatever modules which are dependent on these two, then all those modules will be installed by default in, and will those will be stored inside this node modules folder. So if you see all these are node mon everything there will, these are all dependent on those two packages, so those are installed default. And if you also see package log.json, so what this will be do, this will install or it will store everything inside, uh, like every node modules which have installed on their dependencies, their version and their license, everything will be stored here in this package log.json. Why this will be helpful, this package log.json file? For example, if we are importing the same project from another system, at that time if we copy or import this node modules folder, it will consist of some thousands of files, so it will consume much time, for you. So in that case, if you just copy this package.json file, or import this in your system, and if you run this just npm install command, then automatically based on these dependencies and dev dependencies, your node modules file will be created by default. If you use this, then this node modules folder will be created and all those packages will be imported if you use this npm install command. And if you see also here in our node modules, every module has its version. So what is this version? Currently this is the latest version of node. So this 3.1.1, for example, it has first time deployed into production. At that time it will start as like 1.0.0. This is the first version of that module. If we identify some small bugs in that module, then this version last digit will be changed. Like if we second time if you have identified some bug and if you deployed uh, another time, then it will be changed like 1.0.2, 1.0.3 and so on. Or else if you have done some enhancements in your application, in the same page you have added some more features, at that time this second digit will be changed like 1.1.1 or 1.2.1, 1.3.1 and so on. In your current application, if you add completely and another page which is not existing in your current application, at that time you need to with this version name will be changed like 2.3.1, 3.3.1. So by this if you can understand, this nodeman has been changed completely third time and deployed third time, and 11 bugs and one enhancements like that you can identify based on the version. This is about version naming. Mm, and we have installed this slugify, right? Let us use how in our current folder, current file. So for example, mm, if we want to use this slugify here, we have this json data, right? Data object. So let us use this like, uh, for example, first already this slugify has installed, right? So just create one variable which will store a new array of this like slugs. Then you can use this data object to map data object dot map of which will give one which will have an argument like some element, then this slugify dot, let us use this. How to use this? First of all, they are importing, sorry, first we need to import that in your current file. Let us use this. Currently we use const, right, because of ES6. So after we have imported, we are using here slugify. Slugify of, how they have used here, some string they are giving and argument. If you want, for example, we use this lowercase. So we need every element in this file with lowercase. Slugify of object lower true. That's it. If you want to console this, let us first, I want to show you another thing also. Let me remove this and let me run this once. Index dot, before consoling, before index.js. Okay, it is giving some slugify string argument expected. Okay, how they have used it with string. Okay, okay, my bad. See, we are giving directly this element, but we need to give slugify the string, right? If you use this, if you go to this data JSON, this is the element currently we are passing, but we need to pass only the string. For example, we need to pass this product name. So I need to use this element dot product name. Element dot product name. So if I save it and again running it, see, now listening to port, if I go to our page and refresh, see, as it is running. Now what I need to show you, see, if I need to console it, clearly observe our terminal also. I am consoling it to slugs. Previously what we did, every time we are saving this file, every time we are running the server again and again. But by using this node mon, we do not want to run this server every time you are modifying the code changes. No need to run this server again and again. If I click save, see, clearly observe the terminal. See, I have clicked saved this, and if I go to here, refresh, coming here, okay, something is missing. Okay, now the array has been returned here with lowercase elements because we have used this lower true. So all the elements, all the strings we have returned with the new array with the lowercase letters. Okay, that's it about node npm package manager and package.json file, as well as node modules, and how to use those external node package managers in our system locally. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.